Ever spent 20 hours drafting a deposition outline only to realize you missed a critical witness? Or scrambled during trial prep, wondering why your opponent's motion crushed your timeline? Litigators face chaos daily: fragmented evidence chains, inconsistent research, and unpredictable judicial responses. Our pack fixes this with AI driven case strength scoring, dynamic evidence mapping with custodial audit trails, objection predictive deposition scripts, and trial strategy simulations that model judicial tendencies. Whether you're a high stakes trial attorney, a paralegal juggling discovery, or a deposition specialist needing tactical edge, this is your toolkit. Spoiler: it's like giving your case binder a PhD in winning. Here's what's inside the litigation preparation pack: AI powered case analysis with predictive liability scoring, evidence mapping with blockchain verified chain of custody logs, smart deposition blueprints featuring objection probability heat maps, dynamic trial strategy modules that simulate opposing counsel's playbooks, risk assessment engines stress testing your weakest arguments. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just prep, it's litigation on steroids. Installing the litigation preparation pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add litigation-prep-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: evidence analyzers, deposition simulators, trial strategy AIs, even pre built custodial audit templates. No configuration needed. Your next Claude Code session auto detects the pack, and your AI assistant now speaks fluent litigation strategy with real time objection logic. Warning: may cause jealousy from opposing counsel. Ready to stop winging it and start winning cases?